Hello everybody, Teresa.Plett here at Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. I want to introduce you to the Jayco Precept. Beautiful 35-foot U model, and I'm here to show you some of the outside, and then we'll go on inside when we're done looking around. Just for beginning, of course, you've got your driving lights, engine compartment, full view window, which is automotive grade settings here. Your rear view mirrors are huge, and they do have the rear view or the side view. As you can see, there's a camera here, this little mirror for more details. Nice full picture. Ford V10 and the J-Ride Plus. As you can see, it tagged on the wall. You've got your outside entertainment right here under your patio, and another nice feature about this Precept is the entrance, not going through the cockpit, but on the side right into your kitchen, and you've got the nice patio covering while you're in and out taking care of your barbecue. Beautiful, big pass-through storage on both sides. Tough slam doors. Access to your batteries, your propane. Everything's right at your fingertips. No need to crawl underneath the unit. Whoop, that didn't go so well. Low point drain is at this point, and you've got also a nice big storage area. Oh, if I can get this open, I can show you your water heater. This is instant hot, which means as long as you're hooked up to the water, you've got as much hot water as you'll need. Of course, if you're using your tanks, you probably don't want to use that much. Might need more muzzles.
Don't worry, we'll
Okay.
Okay.
You got the rear hitch, 7-point hitch wire, your rear view camera, and we'll show you the screen that displays everything that you're going to see. It's pretty nice. Your cord coupled away nicely in this little cabinet. Access to your holding tanks, so you don't have to climb underneath once again. More storage, and this is for your water information system right there. Makes winterizing extremely easy. And your pass-through storage doors. Also comes with the Cummins Onan 5500 generator. Another little storage pocket, and it's lighted. You can turn on your basement lights from inside the coach. Let's come on inside and take a look at the nice floor plan this one has to offer. On the way in, take a note of the lighted awning. As you can see, coming in the door, your kitchen's right there. So minimal barbecue stains on your floor if you just happen to drip a little, instead of having to go all the way around the cockpit. The chairs are nicely arranged so that they can swivel around and company can enjoy everybody. A nice little tray here for your passenger. And the screen you have here for all of that information you're going to get off of your cameras. It's also removable, and you can take your navigation with you if you're out camping, going down some trails, or you just need to go in your car and find town. That's pretty nice. Little Garmin. All right. And everybody has a map light. Very nice. Coming on through. Storage and more storage. Also, what's hiding here that you can almost barely tell it's there, when this is all the way up, it looks like just another part of the wall, but this is a bed, and it comes down automatically. So grandkids love that. Another big dining area that also makes into a bed. I put the cushion on the floor just to get it off the beds in the back room so you could see it. A nice double stainless steel sink with covers that double as a cutting board. 3-burner gas range, matching covers for your countertop. Convection microwave. Lots of drawer storage and big space under the counter. The other nice feature is a little extra cabinet space, counter space. 4-door refrigerator, freezer. Nice to have for long trips. Little entertainment center couch, fireplace, and a big screen TV. This also pulls out and has a cushion that pops up to make into an added seating for a perfect L-shaped couch. Into the back area, light controls, privacy doors, and this way when your guests are coming in and you didn't want to make your bed this morning, you can close that off when the bathroom is right here for your guests. I know sometimes I get a little lazy. Don't want to make everything guest perfect. In here, nice queen size bed. Reading lights on both sides. Plug-ins on the side counters. A place to put your water at night or your glasses. Television again, and nice big closet doors. Hanging space for everybody, and 8 good-sized drawers for all your clothing. And again, another privacy door, and the guest, not so much the guest bathroom, the private bathroom. Porcelain toilets, both of them, and nice brushed nickel finish on all the fixtures. It's a beautiful bathroom. Beautiful unit, and I hope that you'll come down and get some more details on it. Please give me a call. My name's Teresa.Plett, 253-886-7253, and I look forward to showing more about this unit to you when you get here. Bye-bye.